Hello everyone! I'm sitting here with one of my favorite pot-plant combinations. So I have this wonderful pineapple pot, really by far my favorite pot that I have. And in it I have this Aloe brevifolia. You can take a look at it with these spikes, and I think it really suits this pineapple pot a lot because it makes it look like a pineapple. The problem is, in the last couple of months, it didn't get enough sunlight, and you can really see that the aloe stretched towards sun, and while the leaves are much thicker down here at the bottom, they are a little bit thin at the top. So I'm not really happy with the look as it stands. Too leggy, like it's too stretched out, this aloe. So I need to do something about this. And what I will do is cut the stem approximately here and let it dry. And then in a couple of days, I will plant this cutting. So let's go about this. I disinfected just a normal pair of scissors. I hope this will work. And now I will cut the stem. So this is what it looks like. I will let it colors. I will just place it in a shady spot in my room, and this shouldn't stress the plant too much. I mean, of course, if you don't have the roots, this is quite a stressful situation, but overall, I think this should do fine. And I think this way, I think this looks much neater. And if it will get enough sunlight, then it shouldn't stretch as much in the future anymore. So what am I gonna do with this? Maybe I will cut it down a little bit more, and maybe there will be new like leaves forming. I also have a few babies that you can see here. That's something I could remove these babies once I plant the cutting. Yeah, but I think for now I will just remove the stem even further. And I can get rid of these leaves. Yeah, so I will plant this in a few days in a different pot, and maybe new sprouts will form at the base of this plant. Just so you can see the cutting, this is the Aloe brevifolia cutting. Yeah, I will let it dry and let it harden off at the end for I think maybe 2 to 3 days. This should be fine, and then I will replant it in dry soil. Oh well, I thought I would just let this aloe harden for 5-6 days maximum, and here I am 3 weeks later, and as you can see, the aloe isn't actually too stressed, so this aloe cutting survived 3 weeks without any problems. So if you look a little bit closer, this is what the aloe looks like now. So it hardened up definitely. Yeah, so the cut, I allowed the cut to colors over, so that's great. And if you look at the original aloe, we have some growth here and some new growth right in the middle. But yeah, and I mean also a few babies here, so very cute. But I mean, this is not very nice to look at. So what I will do now is to take this aloe out, put it in a nursery pot and put it on the side. So maybe I will have some new aloe babies later on, and I will also repot these aloe babies. But most importantly, I will put this aloe cutting into the pot where it belongs. So let's do this. There it is. Beautiful. I mean, really good dry soil with perlite in it. So really there is not too much of a danger of it, of the roots rotting. I mean, unless I really water a lot. So I'll put this on the side. And yeah, I really like the soil, so I will put the soil back into the pot. And I have some more normal potting soil, and I think it's fine if I mix it with the soil that is like ideal for succulents and cacti. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit. And push it down in the pot. Okay, great. So this is what it looks like. Now I will dig a small hole and place the Aloe brevifolia cutting. Again, push down the soil close to the stem. And I'm done. This looks, oh, it's not straight. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Very cute. Yeah, really happy with this. Okay, I'll put it to the side, and then, so this is the, oh, I can first of all remove the babies. Do you see? Yeah, I will try to remove them as close to the stem as possible. Oh, it's only one baby. I thought those were two, but great. And I mean, I don't need all these roots because the pot isn't really the biggest. Let's see. Yeah, it fits more or less. Yeah, I mean, as you saw with the succulent cutting, succulents, aloes, they don't necessarily need roots or a lot of roots. I mean, in the long term, yes, but definitely not in the short term. So we can remove these. We can remove some of the roots. I mean, it's not supposed to look beautiful. This is just for more babies to form. Okay, that's it. Not very pretty, but that should be fine. And yeah, I will let this baby harden off, hopefully this time really only for a few days, because it's such a small stem. And then I will put it into a small pot and let it grow. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.